Best smart home devices under $50. Budget-friendly automation. Best smart home devices under $50. Budget-friendly automation. Getting started with smart home automation doesn't have to drain your wallet. If you've been hesitant to jump into the world of connected devices because you thought it would be expensive, I have great news. There are plenty of quality smart home devices under $50 that can genuinely improve your daily life and make your home more convenient and secure. In this guide, we're going to walk through some of the best categories of affordable smart devices and help you figure out where to start with your budget-friendly automation journey. Smart speakers and displays have become the foundation of most smart homes. And the good news is that entry-level options are incredibly affordable. You can find compact smart speakers from major manufacturers for well under $50. And they work just as well as their pricier cousins for basic tasks. These devices let you control other smart home gadgets with your voice, play music, check the weather, and set reminders without lifting a finger. A budget smart home really starts with one of these speakers because it becomes the hub that ties everything else together. The smaller models might have less impressive audio quality than premium versions, but they're perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or offices where you just need functional sound and voice control. Smart light bulbs are another category where you can find excellent deals under $50. LED smart bulbs have come down in price dramatically over the past few years, and you can now pick up individual bulbs or starter kits that let you control brightness and color from your phone or voice commands. What makes smart lighting so appealing is that it's one of the easiest smart home upgrades to install. You literally just screw them into your existing fixtures. You don't need an electrician or any technical knowledge. These affordable smart devices give you the ability to automate lighting schedules, dim lights for movie night, or turn lights on when you arrive home, all without spending a fortune. Smart plugs and power strips represent one of the most underrated categories of cheap smart home technology. These simple devices plug into your wall outlet, and then you plug your existing appliances into them. Suddenly, any device becomes smart. You can control your coffee maker, fan, lamp, or phone charger from your phone or voice commands. Smart plugs cost just $10 to $20 each, making them incredibly cost-effective. They're also perfect for monitoring energy usage and scheduling when devices turn on and off. If you want to test out smart home automation without committing to expensive new appliances, smart plugs are the way to go. Smart thermostats can be found in the under $50 range if you shop carefully, and they're one of the best investments you can make for both comfort and savings. A programmable smart thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts your home's temperature automatically, which can save you money on heating and cooling costs over time. Even if you only save a few dollars each month, it adds up. The installation is usually straightforward if you're comfortable following instructions, though some people prefer to have a professional handle it. Either way, a budget smart home that includes temperature control is a smarter home in every sense of the word. Security is another area where affordable options abound. Smart door locks under $50 let you unlock your door with your phone or keypad, and you can give temporary access codes to guests or service providers without handing out physical keys. Motion sensor security cameras in the budget range can help you monitor entry points. And smart video doorbells let you see who's at your door, even when you're not home. These affordable smart devices give you peace of mind and control over your home's security without spending hundreds of dollars. Many of these products work with standard door frames and don't require permanent modifications. Smart lighting controllers and dimmer switches are different from smart bulbs and deserve their own mention. instead of replacing your bulbs. These devices replace your existing wall switches and let you control any lights connected to them. They're usually around $30 to $40 and can be a great option if you have multiple bulbs in one fixture or if you rent and can't replace permanent fixtures. These controllers work with your existing bulbs, whether they're smart or not, and they integrate seamlessly into your home's wiring. Environmental sensors are another category of affordable smart home devices that often get overlooked. Smart temperature and humidity sensors, air quality monitors, and water leak detectors typically cost between $15 and $40. These devices send alerts to your phone if something's wrong, like if your basement is getting damp or if your garage temperature is dropping below freezing. They're especially useful for protecting your home from damage and catching problems before they become expensive repairs. For renters or people who move frequently, these are perfect because they're portable and don't require installation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more budget smart home tips, product picks, and setup guides every week.